Are you tired of missing fields when adding customers in Zoho Books? Learn how to create a complete customer profile in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through every single field, from opening Zoho Books to saving the customer. Let's start with the basics. Open Zoho Books in your browser to see the main dashboard. Click the plus icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Customer. First, choose the customer type, either individual or business. Next, select a title like Ms., Mr., or Mrs. from the drop-down. Go ahead and click on Ms. to set the title. Now type in the customer's first name. Then enter the company name if applicable. Select a display name from the options. Click on the display name you want, for example, Bobby. Type the customer's phone number. Now, choose the customer's language from the drop-down. Click on English or the appropriate language. Select the tax preference for this customer. This determines how taxes are applied. Then type the company ID if the customer is a business. Choose the currency for transactions with this customer. Select GBP, pound sterling, or another currency that applies. Now pick the receivable account. This is where outstanding payments will be tracked. Click on Accounts Receivable, which is the default account for customer invoices. Type the opening balance if the customer has any existing unpaid invoices. Then set the payment terms. Click on Due on Receipt for immediate payment. Alternatively, click on Due End of the Month to give them until month's end. Check the box to allow portal access for this customer. You can also upload any relevant documents, like contracts or agreements. Click on Add More Details to expand the form and enter additional information. Type the customer's website URL. Then enter their designation or job title. Now add their Twitter URL if they have one. Type the Skype username for easy communication. Then enter the Facebook link. Click Save to create the customer record. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.